I'm back in my bag, yo. Conscious.
And let's talk about
Down,
bad,
back in my
bad, and beyond. Okay, it dropped 40% to 40%. Okay, if you checked out my video yesterday, you know what I'm saying, I talked about placing put options on BBBY. Okay, if you didn't know, I'm the options trader, I'm the motivator, I'm the educator, I'm the money coach, here to motivate and encourage all new investors to get into the stock market game. So no, this is not financial advice, baby. I'm entertainer, and let's entertain on this information right here. Bad, and beyond. Ticker symbol BBBY. Shares plunged almost 44% in late Friday trading after my man Ryan Cohen Ventures exited his position Thursday. Okay, he exited, you know what I'm saying? He exited the position. He had a big stake into the company. Now, RC Ventures said that in a regulatory filing on Thursday, it no longer owns any shares in Bed Bath & Beyond after selling its entire stake in this week, averaging around $18 to nearly $29 a share, baby, okay? They went on in there, just straight in there. Okay, so that's one of the reasons why Bed Bath & Beyond is looking the way it's looking. You see it, it's hurt. You know what I'm saying? It's hurt, just so hurt. Look at it today, just ugly. But my put options looking beautiful. Okay, they hitting. Oh, they are hitting. Okay, put options looking good. Bam. Okay, check them out. Okay. Put options, and it's even down after hours. You see right here, it's down after hours. Okay, after hours, it's down. You see it, 4%, 8% after hours. Down $10. It's gonna go down probably $8. The momentum is gone, baby. You make money on the way down, you make money on the way up. Get your stock news on what's going on with BBBY and my call put options. So be blessed to invest in yourself. Hit that like button and subscribe. It's looking nice for the put options. I'm up out of here.